Well, hello my dear companions, and welcome to yet another reaction video. This time we're gonna watch a video called Try to Watch This Without Screaming or Scaring. I found this on the YouTube channel, The Real Rejects. My favorite channel when it comes to reaction videos, actually. I have a link down to their channel down below in the video description. They are amazing, and I saw that they uploaded this video like a month ago, I think. And it's a bit different. It's more of a challenge this time. So yeah, many of you have asked me to do more or to do try not to laugh videos, and I have plans for that too. Actually, they will come up soon. They will come up soon. But for this now, it's super late here. I have to be a bit quiet. We have to use the headphones. We have to pump up the volume because they had several rules, as I understand it. Pump up the volume, headphones, and yeah, we can do this as a challenge between you and me. So put on your headphones if you have any, and let's watch it. 1, 2, 3, boom. Here we go. Can you see me? It's a bit bright though. It's super hot in here though. Hello viewer. Whoops. Can you pass this test without screaming or scaring? Level 1. Here we go. That's an old one. Nope. I'm not really scared of images. It's more about the sounds. Scare me with creepy music. Yeah, I can see me. There we go. So far so good. Scary facts. A man in the 1890s dug up his daughter's grave and cut off her heart. I think it was a vampire, what? iPhone 5 electrocuted and killed 30. What? Wow, it's so loud. Giant rats ate 2 babies in South Africa. Wow. No. Can you hear it? Okay. Scary gifts. Oh, the ring. I was so afraid when I watched that one. Oh my god. Oh, you hear? You hear? Oh my god.
I'm standing behind you. I'm standing right behind you.
No, there's no one in the camera. I can see it. There's no one behind me. I have chills, guys. Okay. Oh, that's a creepy one. I remember that one. I've seen that before. Oh, level 10. Just kidding, you passed this, yes! Without screaming or scaring. Congratulations. Wow. Fuck you. Well, you're the bravest in the world if you didn't. Wow. That was a bitch move to do, really. Fuck. Oh, my God. Oh, well. Did you make it? Did you finish the hole? Anyhow, leave a like if you want to, subscribe if you want to become a companion. Check out the Real Rejects too, and I have a link down to the original video as well, so you can just challenge another one to do this as well. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed. There was a long time since we watched something really scary, and the last one really got me because I thought like, wait, we did it. Nope. Now, stay awesome guys, see you soon. Toodaloo!